I'm preparing this video to make this more clear to you. So for now I just update some colors and formatting. We can change colors and formatting later anytime, but my focus is in the features mainly. Okay, so first of all we have the dashboard that will display summary based on month. So you select a month, it will actually display that month's details. So for now, like total sales and this total purchase, so this total sales actually came from this tab based on the selected month, and month select actually based on the date. Okay, and similarly total purchase actually came from this tab, and similarly it's basically based on the date. So when you enter a date, the data will be calculated for that month. Okay, so that's it. And then we have classify or summarize sales in three different categories, like one with based on the channels, second one classifies based on cash flow, or that's this column, what you can say account or counting. I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with Italian language much, so I might wrongly translate things. You can update yourself or you can let me know, so I can change the text. Okay, so that this is the based on cash flow, where the sales cash goes. And then this is about the size, based on size. Okay, so you will get a almost let me see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 7. Let me see. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let me update. We need to 3 more rows in case. Okay, now so okay, so this is based on size. Okay, so for now in your instruction you are talking about this size actually, but I can see you use different size like these also. So if you think these four size is enough and everything for you, then you can just remove this or you can keep this. Okay, that's it. And okay, and then this is based on the product. Okay, so this will, when you continue update sales data, it will add it product. Okay, so let us some enter some random data for test, like we can say gum. Probably we don't use this one. Maybe quantity to 120 cash. Okay, so you can see it's already updated. So that's it. I'm sorry. And so let us add some more data, like it's maybe we can add different sizes, so that will change our. Okay, so you can see when we add more data, it will actually add those and update these things. So this will like summary. I think you already understand the concepts, yet let me explain or show you, so you can this can be clear to you. And similarly you can now update quotation price from here, and it will update from here. Okay, let me know if this is calculating wrong. I will update this. Let me change this. Okay, no, let's keep it as it is. I think we better add some maybe we change the okay and okay, so maybe this way. Now it looks better, I guess. Okay, so this is it, and let me see what we can change. And I change color a little bit. Let me know you like this or you want more change. Again, then this one. Okay, so this inventory tab, I just add this item name. Okay, so it's actually based up to you. How do you want to use this tab? Like okay, so you probably need to update this product name. I just place this based on your other tab. I just copy paste things name, but you need to update this and ensure this how you actually define your product or item here. You can remove this one and update it, and anything here you can only select those from here. Okay, so suppose you have this item and you want to maintain this based on size, then you want one column for excess size, one column for excess. You can see this one like set on face fast on. You can add different tab in that case. Okay, let me add some okay. Maybe we can say set on face, then like this. Okay, so it's working properly, but yet it's you need to think about the what I can say. You carefully consider the size. If you add size here, then you need to select size here also. Like if we remove that one, you can see the remaining quantity is not changed. But if we remove this one also, you can see remaining quantity changed. So it should be matching. If you set size, you should set size in both tab here and also inventory. If you want to skip size, probably some product don't have sizes, then you skip sizes in both tab. I think I can make things clear. Okay, so for now this works this way. And then this tab, I really didn't understand how these things works. I just copy paste things and replicate the formula. If you have time to explain, you can give me an explanation, or okay, let me I want to format tab a little different. okay. For now this is okay. Again, materials. Okay, so this is it, and I skip instruction because I'm not familiar with Italian language. I'm still figuring out how to uh, change things. Probably when you get my message, or you probably see this is completed. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your patience. Hope you find this very helpful. I am really happy to work with you, and again, thank you very much. I look forward to your answer. Okay, thank you. Bye.